In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a proxy on Google Chrome. If you're looking to enhance privacy or access restricted content, setting up a proxy is a great way to do it. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, look to the top right corner where you'll find the three-dot menu. This is your gateway to Chrome's settings. Click on that menu, and from the drop-down, select Settings. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to configure your proxy. With the settings window open, you'll notice various options on the left panel. What you need to do next is click on System. This option allows you to manage how Chrome interacts with the internet and is where we'll find the proxy settings. Now here is a crucial step. You'll want to click on Open your computer's proxy settings. This action will redirect you to the Windows settings window, where we will make further adjustments. It's essential to know that your proxy configuration affects not just Chrome, but your entire Windows system, so any changes made will apply across all browsers you use. Once you're in the proxy section of the Windows settings, you have two configurations available: automatic and manual setup. Today we're focusing on the manual setup. Start by turning the Use a Proxy Server option to On. Activating this setting will allow you to manually input key details required to connect using a proxy server. Next, you need to enter your proxy server's IP address and port number. These are unique numbers provided by your proxy service provider, and they act as the specific coordinates your browser will use to redirect web traffic. Make sure you have these details handy and enter them in the respective fields provided. Pay close attention while typing them to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect details may prevent the proxy from functioning correctly. Once you've entered the IP address and port number, scroll down a bit and click Save to apply your changes. This step is vital because it activates your new settings, allowing your internet traffic to be directed through the proxy server. And there you have it. Your Google Chrome browser is now set up to route traffic through a proxy, providing you added privacy or access to restricted content. Always remember to safely handle your proxy details and only use reputable proxy services to protect your data and privacy. If you ever want to revert these changes, you can simply return to the proxy settings and switch off Use a Proxy Server. Thanks for watching this tutorial on setting up a proxy in Google Chrome. I hope you found it clear and helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.